Hello and welcome to another modelling video. This is Alan from the Mokanaman at YouTube with another event review. Covering Animaga 11th to 12th of November 2023 at the Melbourne Exhibition and Convention Centre. Interestingly enough, sharing this same space with CryptoCon Sexpo and Mind Body Spirit. Prior to the day, the event sold all tickets and guests billed as IRyS, Hololive, redjuice, illustrator, and Kiyono Yasuno voice actor. One of the activity areas hosted a plastic scale model workshop area. The major feature, space to sit down and build, borrow tools, and continue on your project in the company of friends and other attendees. With expert staff volunteering to help one-on-one tutoring, the Salt Mine Hobby Shop was present with a single table with an assortment of affordable small projects and rare vintage garage kits that are difficult to find. For non-participants, the biggest spectacle was the model display, traditionally a competition, but as the weekend pass was not offered and different people were coming for the Saturday and Sunday, we just decided on a showcase. This is a collection of works from the community, including attendees, coordinators, staff, volunteers, and workshop hands, plus myself, showcasing a whole variety of subject matters and skill levels. From beginner plain snap fit projects to fairly advanced painted and modified pieces, even rough builds thrown together on the day. The loose theme is anything anime, which can cover a whole wide variety, including this wonderful diorama, dinosaurs, military, and even wargaming. 3D printing had good representation, with a couple of pieces from Hololive to show our guest a little support. Cosplay props with a scale modelling approach, and the Gundam leak Gundam head. Again, we were without a sponsor and decided to make a garage figure cast in plaster of a very basic chibi anime figure depicting the event's mascot, and provided watercolours for attendees to paint at no cost and even take home. This was extremely popular with many uptakes. Airbrush space was provided but not utilised. Our neighbours in the activity area is the art section, which has expanded over the years with various free stations. Sketching, drawing, Copic markers, painting, magic sand vials, fans, pipe cleaner sculpting, paper art and origami, plus badge making. A high uptake and very popular area. Wall space had a free drawing wall, Shinto-style prayer board and fortunes, hand drawing and digital art competition with very generous prizes. On the other side, finishing off with ball-jointed dolls, a collection from the Melbourne BJD Emporium community, and attendees' dolls. Even if all these activities are a major focus of the channel, these areas are a very small part of the overall convention. With minimum hall space, all very well utilised, at capacity some of the draws was a lobbycon with a maid cafe, media wall and lots of cosplay to observe. None of it I got to experience or witness. The largest amount of real estate was dedicated to traders, various booths and the artist alley, with merchandise and wares covering model kits and toys to apparel, costumes, accessories and play weapons. The artist expanded in a lot of physical goods too. Live entertainment included a main stage, a performance stage and a trivia auditorium. The main stage covering the guest panel performances and cosplay competition, the performance stage, idol performances, karaoke and DJs. The VTuber from Hololive was a mass draw card for the Sunday crew and was live streamed from overseas. Guests also did one-on-one meet and greets and signed merchandise. Another participation activity you could do is the gaming area, including large amount of video and computer games, arcade stuff, couch warriors being featured, and tabletop games with the Go Association and Mahjong tables. Plus popularized trading card games like Grand Archive, Pokemon. A very fun, well-received and fulfilling weekend for those who managed to acquire a ticket and attend one of the days. Animaga will be returning next year with a much larger capacity and space. Stay tuned to the website and the Mokanaman social medias for more information on tickets. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, until next time, stay tuned for further content and we'll catch you guys next time. See you later.